Hello friends, hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Deepshikha Bhowmik. I am an HR professional with a decade experience of dealing with people, processes and performance. So this video is about vaccination drive that my organization is taking. Because I am in the process right now, I would like to make a documentation of it and tell my friends and colleagues around, people from the industry, that how did we do the drive, and take you through the entire experience that I went through. So today is 4th of June and we got hold of the vaccines on last week. We got the confirmation that we are going to have the drive, and we planned the entire exercise for 2 days, and then we had to extend it. We started off from 2nd of June. We had around 100 employees get vaccinated on the 2nd of June, around 250 vaccinated in 3rd of June, and today is 4th of June, the last day, whereupon we are ending the process with another 250 employees. This that we started off is we floated an form, a Microsoft form, with asking the employees there that whether they have been affected with COVID or not, whether they have been vaccinated already or not, and if they're not willing to, whether they're willing to get vaccinated. If not, then why are they, the reason behind not getting vaccinated, and also if you have taken the vaccine already, then whether they have taken the first dose, whether they have taken the second dose, or both of them, and if they have taken the first dose, then what is the date of their second dose, whether they have taken Covishield or Covaxin, or what other dose have they taken, and accordingly the next date on which they will be willing to take the second dose. And also, if they want their family members to be vaccinated, then how many family members do they want to be vaccinated? If they want their friends and extended family members to be vaccinated, how many of them needs to be vaccinated, and their details, their name, phone number, and yeah, the registration number of the CoWIN portal, which is the reference point for all this. That is how we had started the drive. So naturally, in a work from home kind of an environment, especially in a lockdown, not everybody in a typical organization is having an official email address. So that is a difficulty that we faced, and also the information going to people. We planned it on a we started a discussion on a Saturday when we got the confirmation of having the number of doses that we were planning to get. So by Monday, having the information to be floated, and by Tuesday collating all the information and starting off the vaccination on Wednesday. That was a little bit of a challenge, whereupon reaching out to everybody, getting the collecting the data, with solving their issues of transportation, solving their issues of how do you register in a CoWIN portal, what are the guidelines of it, sharing the guidelines with people again and again, especially people who have taken the first dose, especially people who have already affected with COVID, whether it's been 3 months, whether it's been 2 months, whether it's been a month, and how long they will not be able to take the vaccine. And we want to ensure that everybody is vaccinated in the organization. Internal team of HR Ops is trying their level best to ensure that before the lockdown is over and before everybody is back to their workplaces, them, their family members, their extended family, their friends, everybody is vaccinated, everybody is safe and sound. And so that is the objective that we have. Having that as a reference point, when the data came in, around 500 people that we were targeting. I think today we are closing the survey with around 420-30 people taking the survey. The others could be, you know, people who have got COVID, getting them to write down the dates by which they will be under medical practitioners advice, be ready to take the vaccine. So there are around 60 people in our organization, in the head office we are talking about, so getting them to be vaccinated after the gestation period is over, getting people who have had the first dosage to be having them to have the second dose with us, and that is how we are envisaging the entire arrangement. The best part is when people are the beautiful selfie zone that we have put around, people taking photographs, putting in their Facebook, putting in their WhatsApp DPs, putting in their LinkedIn, and tagging us. We get to know that how many people are getting vaccinated, how happy the family members are. So around 500 people when you are targeting to get the employees vaccinated, are around 250 people being the family members. And when myself, I got in around 8 to 9 family members to come and get vaccinated. So a lot of such people in the community around, in and around our lives, whom we are touching base with. That is something which is extremely proud of my organization. And not only that, doing the transportation arrangement, so getting permissions from the buses to fly on the roads with a designated number of people coming from 1.5 hours, 2 hours distance, ensuring that they probably start by a particular time. So each vaccination takes around a minute, and the registration process takes probably another minute. So in an hour we are planning to get with only one vaccination booth where 2 people are getting vaccinated, we are taking on an average 2 minutes per person, and in an hour we have taken around 35 people maximum who can be vaccinated. So in these 8 hours that we divided the entire day into, we have given slots to people like 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1 and 1, 2 to 4, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4 and 4 to 5 and 5 to 6. The buses are also flying in a similar way. Hi friends, getting myself and all our colleagues in the organization vaccinated. So this is the day 2 of the vaccination, and tomorrow we are going to end it. We are going to put all our initiatives in LinkedIn and show the world at large that what is the kind of initiative that we are taking. So it is a tour that I would like to give to all of you who would like to get vaccinated for their organization and want to do a vaccination drive. So to begin with, lots of branding to the initiative that we are doing, and as well as selfie zones that we have created. And let me take the doctor's chamber. We have bifurcated 2 floors for 500 employees to get vaccinated, and the first floor that I showed you was a registration desk. Second floor is the doctor's avenue. We are getting it done through Millennium Diagnostics as our partner. Just let me give you a sneak peek of what is going on there. So here we have the doctor. Say hi.
Hi.
Your names please?
Huh? Joy.
Okay, great. So they are the vaccinators. একটা ইয়েতে ফাইলে কটা হয়ে যায়? 10 জন। We have the vaccination area demarcated so that when people come in, they will be able to figure out themselves where are they supposed to land up, and in case there's a trouble, in case medical emergency that comes up, then there's a doctor again with the doctor's chamber label written on it. Then you'll be able to figure out where to reach out in case you start feeling sick. So let's say hi to the doctor. Hello sir, your name please?
My name is Dr. Sarfaraz Ali.
Sarfaraz Ali. Good to meet you. So Dr. Sarfaraz Ali is taking care of the medical emergencies if anything comes by. This is registration before the final dosage. Ma'am, what are we doing here?
Register.
Keno korche eta?
This is for our documentation.
For Millennium?
Yeah.
And how do you relate this to the CoWIN portal? CoWIN portal এর সঙ্গে এটাকে আপনি কি করে রিলেট করেন? ইউজুয়ালি CoWIN পোর্টালে আপনি ইনফরমেশন পাস অন করেন না?
সেটা আছে, প্লাস এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের যে ডোজের একটা হিসাব থাকে, তো ইট ইজ ফর আওয়ার ইন্টারনাল ম্যানেজমেন্ট।
Internal management. What are we doing in the registration desk?
रजिस्ट्रेशन में लोग आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन कर रहे हैं कोविड के लिए गवर्नमेंट के अंदर में कि आप लोग वैक्सीनेशन ले रहे हैं इसलिए।
So you are getting them registered in the CoWIN portal so that they can go and download the certificates.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Do you intend to send some kind of a communication to these people later on?
Yeah, definitely.
That
we
is
are taking care of those kind of person, what they feel.
What they feel. Basically taking feedback from them, from Millennium Center. Okay, so that's Millennium for us, the diagnostics partner that we have, vendor that we have. And so today how many got vaccinated up till now?
269
Number of people who got vaccinated
already vaccinated
today. Okay. Yesterday how many got registered?
Yesterday
254. Okay. Yesterday I remember there were 93 employees who got vaccinated in a day's time, and then there were around 256 total number of people who got vaccinated, including the employees and non-employees. Thank you. So up till now we have gotten around 500 is already. Also, it is very important that while we do this vaccination, we have to ensure that there is enough of distance that we are keeping. We have created this waiting zone also, and we have given slots of 10 to every employee to come along with their parents, their extended family, their friends, whoever they want to get vaccinated along with them. And this is how the vaccination drive is going on in my organization. So we have a waiting zone in the 5th floor conference room, whereupon people are waiting along with their families. How do you feel getting vaccinated? And we also have a waiting area in 4th floor, where employees are coming and registering themselves on the 4th floor. Selfie zone master. Hello, what's your name?
Sanjeev Sadhu Khan.
Sanjeev Sadhu Khan, who's taking photographs for each one of us who are getting vaccinated, as a memory to ourselves, as a branding to the organization. Here is the team, our immediate team, who are doing the vaccination for us. Hi. Dinesh, say hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
वीडियो कर रही है, अच्छा YouTube पे
Say hi. आप सब
YouTube पे जाएगा ये वीडियो।
Hi ma'am. You've been working very hard for the last 2-3 days. What's your name?
जितेंद्र
How does it feel?
अभिषेक मिश्रा, राजनंदिनी मिश्रा,
So your family had come.
शैलजा सुरलिया, रश्मि सुरलिया।
So what could you have done better, ma'am, if we had planned better?
अंजना यादव, राजेश कुमार यादव,
More branding.
यादव, राजेश कुमार यादव।
have more
So
organized
things to be
systems
seen.
and much better, I guess, coordination
Coordination
to
among
the
people.
employees, especially the communication to the employees.
But whatever we did in the last 2-3 days time, that is exceptionally good.
Exceptional.
Thank
I
you.
think everybody has worked day and night for us to get here. We are getting
नेहा
applause
जायसवाल,
from them.
लवली जायसवाल,
How does it feel? Great.
Very happy, very great. I am also thankful that
विशाखा
management
शॉ,
has
श्यामली
relied on us
श्यामली
that we could do it.
जायसवाल, सोमा मंडल,
That's also a big responsibility.
संदीप।
So how was the last 2 days?
Very good experience.
You were awake till 4 in the morning one of these days, and then you came to office at 9. How does it feel? Satisfying?
Yeah, satisfying.
Or irritating?
Sometimes irritating, but last week satisfying.
Great.
So many people are getting vaccinated, and the family also.
Family members. Shayan, how many people have you vaccinated in the last 1 month?
Around 700.
And what was the most difficult thing to be done?
I think we're
The
done.
reconciliation regarding the payment and the paper.
And getting people to the venue on time?
No, that's not a challenging. If the communication is good, then it will be an easy thing.
How does it feel after getting so many people vaccinated?
Very good.
Satisfied?
very much satisfied.
Thank you.
And that's my camera shy colleague Dinesh, who traveled from his hometown in Bihar for this few days, and then he will go back tomorrow. This is Shudipta, our front desk manager, who's helping us with the drive.
So that is how our team is working. It's been 2 days that we have started doing the vaccination, and we are expecting probably in another day's time we will touch around 700-750 people to get vaccinated. So before we start the process, you have to register yourself in the CoWIN portal, and you have to carry your Aadhaar card or your PAN card with the registration number of CoWIN portal written in it along with your age, so that we do not have to refer to anything else, and it takes lesser time there and lesser hassle there. So the vaccination takes less than a minute. So after the vaccination, we are encouraging people to rest for a while, so that if there is any trouble that comes by, we will be able to take them to the doctor and get it resolved. People who have not been able to register themselves in the survey that we have launched, for us to understand, we have called all these people and gotten in touch with them to understand what are their difficulties, whether it is transport, whether it is some kind of medical condition. My family members came in yesterday, they got themselves vaccinated. So they were wondering that how come there is no rush and there are no number of people. We do not allow people to sit over here, and we have taken trenches of maybe max 30-35 people, and they are moving away. That is how we have divided this entire 250 per day into 10 slots. And we are also expecting dropouts. We are expecting people who have not got the information to come offline. So all that is being managed as much as we can manually. Other than that, we are pretty much pre-planned. And thank you for everybody for watching this video. And if you like the content that I am putting, then please give it a thumbs up, share the content, and tell others that how they can also safely, in good timing, get all the employees vaccinated in one venue, and get their family members as well as their close friends to be also vaccinated in your office itself. That helps us keep our entire community healthy, keep our Koteri healthy, and helps us fight against this deadly virus and wipe it out from the face of the country.
Okay, we have Mr. Shrivesh Baltharia with us, the HR head. Sir, the last 3 days went by in a jiffy doing the vaccination. What was your experience about it? What could we have done differently?
We treat our employees not only as an asset, we treat them as our family member. So it was always in our mind to arrange a camp like this to ensure that employees are safe, secure in this. So thought about the family, their near and dear ones, and that is our first priority. At how to bring them to our office, commute them to our office. So we arrange our bus facilities and from all locations across West Bengal. There were a few areas. There is always scope for improvements. And one of the people are not turning up for the vaccination. We should have informed them prior to this camp. What is the reason that you are not coming up, whether you are taking vaccination. So that is one way of engaging with the employees who are not turning up. If they have taken the vaccination, there is also information for us, and we can have the database. We can always keep on feedback registered at our office, at the reception, or at the vaccination place. Just when they're out from the vaccination, they can write some feedback, how they feel, good or bad, or anything they had in their mind. So that is also one way of getting some feedback from the staff and their family members. So this is also an opportunity for us to not inviting the family members to the office, and given that feeling that this is where their husband or their family members are working, and we care for them, so that increase engagement level, and that is always in our mind. But yes, this is for vaccination, but in future we will do many more similar kind of things. We are doing it, and that is the objective of the organization, including make it more people feel that it is their family, it is their organization, and we want to do it like that. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
And we want to ensure that everybody is vaccinated in the organization. That is the drive, and that is what is driving. Internal team of HR Ops is trying their level best to ensure that before the lockdown is over and before everybody is back to their workplaces, them, their family members, their extended family, their friends, everybody is vaccinated, everybody is safe and sound. And so that is the objective that we have. And there were cases like, I live alone, and if I have fever tomorrow, who will be there to take care of me? Which we had to address. I even told one of my colleagues, and you can come and stay at my place. She's a friend also. And then there were people who were like not sure, getting allergies, whether how do they ensure that the vaccine will not affect them. So suggesting them to take a medical prescription before they come, and that is how the vaccination is ending. So today in a few hours we are going to end the process, and I am filming this in order to share the know-how with all my friends and family. I hope you like the video, and if you really like it, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and let me know what all other kinds of videos will you like me to put. And to end this, stay happy, stay blessed, stay safe, keep safe distance, wear a mask. Take care. Goodbye.